Okay, so this is take two, and I still got this annoying left of me here. So today is two things. We have a TCP unboxing. The first thing came from a dealer in Oxnard, California. I'll show his card. This is his card. Does a very good job of packing up the books, and I know it's backwards, but his name is Zach Wood. Um, so definitely, yeah, go check and see what else he has. This is the book I picked up from him. Paid a little bit more than what I would like to generally pay for it, but it's first printing, so I should be able to get at least maybe 10 or 20 bucks. I'll probably put it with the other ones for 10. It is a first printing, so that's a good thing. You know, I have kind of flooded the market on these. This is how you can tell it's a first printing. Right, ouch. Also, I snapped the book in two. Over my finger is first printing 1970. And also, I know I can tell it's the first printing, depending on where it is 123rd Street and 6th Avenue. Like I talked about that in the very first book. It's either that or 6th, 2nd, and 14th Street, was the original home core location address before the press moved to Jersey. So while I'm thinking about this, let's open up this thing from Thriftbooks, and I can kind of already tell this is the Interme. I do have another package, but it's kind of held up right now, and that's probably won't be in for a while. That's an ultra rare Great Gay in the Morning paperback, which, like I said, is ultra rare because I've only ever seen one. Well, actually, I take it back. I've seen two. One just went for $325 at a gay LGBTQ auction in New York. And this is Interme. Probably most likely, once again, for spring. Let's take that off. It's in pretty good condition. Let's see. 1988, Jill Laguerre, who's a teacher now at a college, I believe in the southwest of Texas. I mean, it's minor damage. I was just gonna sell this on my own individually without putting it in the master list. I would probably say very good with some shelfware. Thankfully, I only paid about $7 and some change. And that was for books, and I normally try to snatch whatever they have of ours. Now the bread and butter. Well, I wouldn't call this bread and butter. Bread and butter. PM Press, Oakland, California. Now, in the last video I did, I said that Ramsey was the founder of AK, also later founded this printing press. Let's see what I got. That's not gonna work. Let's see. Trying not to show my address. I might have to trim it across the. I might have to trim it across the top. So this out today. So let's see what I got from PM Press. They actually repackaged it inside of an Amazon package. I can definitely tell it's something like a paperback. This is the Amazon packaging inside. Let's see. So, oh, so he used the Amazon package. Oh, okay. Couple comics. Nothing just cackles and bites. Okay. Oh, okay, so there's a couple things. So, there's Cackles and Bites comic. Okay, I'm not familiar with the press. I will have to do some research. I would say BG Plus with light damage on front cover. Capitalism Bites, that should be interesting to look up. Animals, these are probably like little zine comics. And they're Capitalism Designs. Okay, so this I would almost say like new, minor damage. And let's see, last one I would say same thing, like new, minor damage. I think it's an animal, but I can't read it that well. Okay, it's there because someone. I'm guessing the text. It's probably something about maybe the war in Afghanistan or Iraq. I don't know. I mean, but yeah. So like I said, once again. So yeah. So once again, if you guys want to check out this guy, see what else he has. I mean, very good at packaging and stuff. And then if you want to go and see anything that we have for sale, it's the same name as the YouTube channel. It is TIMESCHANGEPRESS at on eBay and eBay and Etsy. And then I might try to put up a couple other places. I don't know. We'll see. But yeah. Peace out, and hopefully you guys like this. This will probably go up in about 20 minutes from now. It's about 2:44. So yeah, it should go up pretty soon. Peace out.